Get paid to speak. Get paid to speak. And this is how. Speaking is not just about being on stage and, holding the microphone and all of that. It's a skill that can actually open doors to paid opportunities. Paid opportunities. And today, I'm going to share with you how I started speaking about organic farming. And before I knew it, people began inviting me to events and training sessions. Some even paid me. And initially I was like, really? What are they paying me for? After all, I'm just sharing my story. Now, I'm Olushola Showemimo, and welcome to Speak with Mo. Yes. A few years ago, my mom died of cancer of the colon. And one of the things we realized was that her food could be healthier, even though she was very choosy about the kind of meals and foods she ate. But of what value is food that has been sprayed with chemicals and all manner of toxins? So it affected her. She developed cancer and she passed away. I went for a conference in California, and while I was there, I realized that there was a conference on cancer. So the other conference was called Cancer Control, and this was in 2013. So I decided that cancer, I need to know more about you. So that was how I traveled and went to California to go and attend this conference. I was so inspired. There were so many speakers. I think the youngest speaker was an 18-year-old young man who told us how he ran away from home when the parents insisted that he had to have chemotherapy, and he didn't want chemotherapy. So he left home and they started looking for him. But guess what? He got well. There was another lady who had shared her book, Don't Lose Your Breast, and told us how she never had to remove her breast, and today she's still alive and well. So I was really inspired, and I said, when I get back home, I was going to practice organic farming too. So I came back and I tried to do organic farming. It was not easy. I'm telling you, it was a bit tough. And many people told me I would fail because I was doing something that was, kind of not really the usual, and that I may not get help, I may not get farm inputs. They were right. Eventually, yes, they were right. All of those things happened. I lost money. I couldn't find the right inputs, but I weathered it. Yes. I would always sit at Google, read YouTube, learn, watch videos, and I succeeded. So that is how my story began. And I started helping people. They were setting up their home gardens. And then even the ones who were buying from us, they were coming back to me and telling me things like, wow, your produce, so good. Oh, I don't feel bloated anymore. Or if I eat your vegetables, I'm not affected. And, so many stories. I was happy. I was relieved that what I was doing was eventually making sense. So I went on social media and started telling my story. Many people read, listened, and the next thing I knew, people were inviting me to come and share my story. And so this is going to lead me to telling you how I started to earn. So bear in mind that you can also earn from your voice. Whether you're an expert, a business owner, or even someone who is just passionate about a topic. Yes, maybe, I love the girl child. Who's going to take care of the boys? Anything, anything at all. You can speak about it. And I know that there are several millions of people who are already doing that. And if you're not one of them, you can be. So stay glued. In fact, by now, I hope you have subscribed to my channel. because you want to learn more. This particular edition is because so many people have asked me, yes, you're telling us what to do, but if we do it, what's going to be the benefit? Is it something that can make you rich? Oh, yes, it can make you very rich, So I didn't start thinking I was going to be a public speaker and I was going to be an organic agriculture advocate. That was not my plan at all. I just thought I was going to do my farming, encourage people to join me, and that would be fine. But people wanted to know more. They started asking me stories. So how did you do it? What exactly was wrong? And all of that. I mean, at first I was not paid. And guess what? I was actually happy just to tell my story. That was all I wanted to do. But the more I shared my story, the more people started inviting me to speak at even much bigger events. I remember the very first big event I spoke at, there were 5,000 people there. But I had been privileged to learn how to speak very many years before then. I had been privileged to take a training on structured speaking. So that helps me because I always tell people you can structure your speaking and actually learn to structure your speaking. And you can pick up the microphone and just speak. With time, you will find your right balance. So before I realized it, people started booking me for paid training session. I remember the particular company, they said, oh, we just give you an honorarium. When the honorarium came, I couldn't even have asked them for the kind of money they paid me. So that was when I saw that my voice wasn't just a tool for educating people. It was an income generating skill. I was excited. So, how can you get paid for speaking? I know that's one thing you're waiting for, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel. And then you need to listen to the end because there's something I'm going to share with you. So, you can speak at workshops. Yes, you can speak at workshops and training sessions. You can even offer yourself as a volunteer. You might not get paid, but bear in mind one thing, and that is the next client might just be in the audience. I think it was Brian Tracy who said that in one of his speeches. He said, your next client might just be in the audience. So be at your best. Don't say, oh, because I'm not being paid, I'm just contributing my bit. No, contribute that bit with all of you. Yes. Another thing is that if you have expertise on anything, then be ready to share it. Because you know it so well. You know it. If somebody were to tap you from sleep, you're going to be able to share it. So why not do the same thing and get paid for it? So you yourself can offer workshops. If you're not invited to one, you can actually offer one. It could be online, it could be in person, and many professionals make thousands of money hosting short, focused training sessions. Yes. Just tell people and start low. You might start with money that you feel, okay, this will get people into the door. And then when you're more comfortable, you will then raise your fees. You're entitled to because you have practiced so hard and you're very good at it. So, get invited to events and conferences. If you know of a conference that is going on, let's say you are a healthy lifestyle coach and you want your speaking skills to be out there to earn you money, you could actually approach anybody who is hosting an event. Could I have 5 minutes to share this much about? Just let them know what it is. It could be a conference. Ask for 5 minutes, but make sure that those 5 minutes you can spend You can even spend a whole month preparing for it, because at the end of the day, what you want is a delivery that would make people to remember you. Another, and you'll be surprised the kind of money keynote speakers make. Keynote speakers make very good money. It just depends on their expertise, their experience, their exposure. Another thing is corporate training opportunities. So you can approach companies to let them know that you would like, to train for them. By then, you'll have done your homework, you know what they stand for, you know what can really, really motivate their staff. And so, you can also position yourself to run webinars and online courses because you know enough. So, the subject matter that is dear to your heart is what you will use as your niche, because you don't want to struggle, you don't want to fumble. One of the things I always encourage people to do is to get to be the best you can in that niche that you carve out for yourself. It's very, very important. Now, when you can now put up your online courses, you can go to Udemy, Teachable, even Zoom. You can use Zoom. Yes, you can use Zoom. And quite a number of them out there. You create your courses and then you bring it to people's notice, post it everywhere, let people know that this is what you do. In fact, some people would rather buy that training because they know that it's going to be much more expensive to get you physically. So it's going to be a win-win. You listen to you and then you make your money. So just position yourself very well as a subject matter expert, and it will make money for you. Companies will pay you, individuals will pay you. Now, another one is coaching and consulting. When you know enough about your subject matter, because you're always talking about it, people are going to approach you. Yes, they're going to approach you. Oh, could you come and speak to this group? And as soon as they ask you to come and speak to the group, please ask them what their budget is. Don't go speaking and then think that people will pay you afterwards. So you just have to be brave about it. So what's going to be your budget for this speaking session? Now, you will get to a point where you don't have to turn some down, because they'll be asking so much of you, and at the end of the day, they don't want to pay you. So if you're good at what you do, people will pay even for one-on-one. I have people who tell me they would rather not be in a group among other people, that they feel embarrassed, that they don't know how to speak. So they approach me for my one-on-one, and I make sure that I give so speaking naturally leads to coaching, because once you know it, you feel that you can also coach them. And once people hear you, then they actually want that personalized help from you to them. They don't want to be in a class with other people. So you can then charge even for strategy calls to decide on what they want to do, mentorship programs, or even private training sessions. These are all what you can get paid for. Another one is moderation. As a moderator, people are happy to pay you for you to moderate well. And most very good speakers are always able to moderate a panel of speakers at an event. The people on the panel are already giving the information. So what you want to do is tap into what they're saying and use it. And then at the end of it, you could even have attendees ask questions. So this is it. Start speaking. Don't wait to be perfect. There is no perfection in speaking. There's only progress. You can get better at it. And then start with questions about your subject matter, and there you are answering them. I do that for speaking, but I know that many times I get the same question really on the anxiety that people go through. So build your credibility. Very, very, very important. Build your credibility. When you say, oh, when I'm speaking is when I'm going to learn, no, just keep practicing, keep getting better at what you're doing, because you can even write articles, you can record short speaking clips. There's so many opportunities. And then network. Every time you find yourself at an event, please network. Get to meet somebody whose number is with you and you can reach out to. Not necessarily to ask them for anything, just appreciate the fact that they are now in your network and you met with them. So, associations, join associations where you can know your worth and know your value. Don't be afraid to charge. Please, do not be afraid to charge, because, hey, you pay for everything. You go to the hairdressers, you pay. You buy your clothes, you pay, you eat food, you pay. So why should speaking be one of those that then you don't get paid for? So if you have enjoyed this session and you are thinking of turning your voice into income, now is the time to start. I want you to comment below and tell me, what you would like me to speak about. I love that. I am speaking about this now because I had enough people who sent me private messages asking me to do this. If you also found this useful, like, share, and subscribe, because you are going to get so many more insights on public speaking and professional growth. I have a speaking circle where members are also learning as they go on. So you may want to check the link and join the speaking circle. It has nothing to do with getting more leads or viewers on YouTube. It's simply to learn how to speak. Now, this session has been on how to get paid for speaking, and I believe that you have learned one or two things. Remember, once again, I'm Olushola Shiwelimo, and this is Speak with Mo. Today, we've talked about how you can make money from speaking about your niche or your expertise or what you know about. See you in my next video. I appreciate you. Subscribe now.